Hey everybody, this is Nick. I'm coming to you today with a really quick photo cropping tip. Now, I have posted about this before. I learned about it from Nolan Hames and Steve Sheets at Ghost Ranch Communications, and this is so cool. So I wanted to just show you that if you have a slide where you want to put a photo, your photo is probably going to come in its exact dimension. So in this case, it's probably like a 16:9, a widescreen dimension for a photo. You would normally maybe go up to picture format, maybe click on crop, try to work with the crop settings here. This is what I want you to do. The first thing I want you to do, and because I want to have just this little part, this little kind of left third of my slide filled with the photo, I'm going to go ahead and just fill the entire slide with the photo. So I'm going to hold down my shift key and it will proportionally drag that photo all the way so that the photo edges are bleeding to the top, bottom, and left. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to squish this photo. I'm not going to hold the shift key. I'm going to make it really squish, just like we were taught not to do. So I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to squish this photo. Now I'm going to go up to the crop button right here, this crop drop down menu here on the picture format tab, and I'm going to click on fill. And what that's going to do is it's going to fill this area with my photo. So let's go ahead and fill this photo. And now it gives me this crop window, and you can see all the grayed out parts are the sections of the photo that will be cropped out, and the crop area right here is highlighted. That's the section of the photo that will be shown. So all I have to do now is just drag my photo into place wherever I want to, and I really like that part of the photo right there, so I'm going to keep it like that. Click on the crop button one more time, and now you have a beautiful proportionally cropped photo on your slide. Perfect little tip there. Saved me a lot of time. Thanks again, Nolan and Steve, for the tip. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button next to it. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design. Thank you everyone for joining my channel. It's a $1.99 per month membership. Cancel anytime. Members get early access to video, members only content, download codes, all that good stuff. It really helps me keep the lights on over here. So I really appreciate that support. I had a great time making this video for you today, and I cannot wait to see you all next time.